Hello everyone, myself Aishwarya, a legal intern at Lexis & Company, and my topic for today is adultery at a present is no more criminal offences in India. So in this there is an case of Joseph Shine versus Union of India 2018. There were a 5-judge bench struck down the sections of 497 of Indian Penal Code 1860 among the section 198 sub-clause 2 of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973 are unconstitutional. In this, the petition challenged the constituency of the offences of adultery under the section of the code under the section 497 of Indian Penal Code among with the section 198 subclause 2 of Criminal Procedure Act. There is some issues in this case. First one is whether the section 497 of Indian Penal Code is unconstitutional, being arbitrary or violative of fundamental rights. Second is whether section 198 subclause 2 of Criminal Procedure Act 1973 is unconstitutional or violative of the fundamental rights. Then on 27/7/2018, a 5-judge bench of Supreme Court is struck down the section 497 of the Indian Penal Code along with the section 198 subclause 2 of Criminal Procedure Act, being as a violative of articles 14, 15 and 21 of the Constitution of India. Adultery is also used for the ground for the divorce. Like in material law, the adultery recognize the meaning of adultery is reasonable ground for the divorce, which means if one party commits adultery, then it is sufficient ground to apply for divorce. Adulterous relationship is established when a person commits sexual intercourse with a spouse of each other, which means two individuals commit sexual intercourse who are not married to each other. Since it is voluntary relationship, so it can also be terminated as cheating or extramarital affair. After divorce, life becomes more difficult, so before applying for getting divorce, one must think the consequences of getting divorce. And life after getting divorce in our country, like India, divorce is still not acceptable by the families of the people, which means it still carries a social stigma, and if the woman is divorced by the husband, then the life of the woman is more difficult than the man. If the separating couples has the kids, then the kids are the one who suffers the most. So it is better to forgive their spouse instead of dragging her in the court. If the one who commits the adultery confront in front of the other party. Law of adultery in our country. In our country, adultery laws varies from the country to country because it depends upon the religious norms and attitude of the people. Thank you.